Now we must remember 3 things before we start. Number 1. It's important that you perform the steps of wudu in the right order. Number 2. We should not waste water when we make wudu. Just use enough to make your wudu properly. And finally, before we start making wudu, we must begin by saying Bismillah. First, you must wash your hands really well, including your wrists, and make sure you get in between your fingers. Do this 3 times. Next, put water into your mouth using your right hand. Swirl it around in your mouth, then spit it out. You also do this 3 times. Now put a little bit of water into your right hand again. Then sniff the water into your nose. Using your left hand, blow all the water out. Yep, you guessed it. You do this 3 times. It's time to give your face a good clean. Wet both your hands and wipe your face from your forehead all the way down to your chin, and from your right ear to the left, making sure you get every spot. Do this 3 times. Starting with your right arm, wash from your fingers and all the way up above to your elbows. After you wash your right arm 3 times, then you do the same thing for your left arm. Wet both your hands and wipe your head. You must start from the front and wipe all the way over the top until you reach the back. Then wipe it back to the front in one motion. You only have to do this once. Wet both your hands and then use your index fingers to clean the inside of your ears, and use both of your thumbs to clean behind your ears too. This is only done once. Starting with your right, wash your foot from your toes to up above your ankle. Make sure you wash every part. Don't forget to wash the bottom too. You must do this 3 times. Then do the same thing for your left foot. Now that your body is all clean and ready, we must clean our heart by saying Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadun abduhu wa rasuluh. Allahumma aj'alni min at-tawwabin wa aj'alni min al-muttahirin. Which means, I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is his messenger and slave. O Allah, make me from the people who ask for your forgiveness, and make me among those who are always clean and pure. Now that we are all clean and ready to pray, we need to make sure we don't break our wudu. If you do any of these things, make sure to go and make wudu again before you pray. If you use the bathroom for number 1 or number 2, then this breaks your wudu. Oops! If you pass through it, then this definitely breaks your wudu. And if you really get tired and fall asleep, then this breaks your wudu too. You never know, you may while you are sleeping. MashaAllah! Now you have learned how to make wudu.